Well, hello everyone and welcome. I'm so glad you're here for this Bitmoji Classroom tutorial in PowerPoint. So today we're going to learn how to create a basic classroom scene in PowerPoint. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a blank slide in PowerPoint. We're going to go to Google and type in our classroom background, and we're going to choose the background of our liking, and then we're going to copy and paste the background to the blank slide, resize as necessary, go back to Google and type items that we want to get for our virtual classroom. So if we want to get a desk, we'll type in classroom desk, and then we'll do some things with that so that we can get the items that we want to get. I recommend using items with relatively empty backgrounds so that when we copy and save the image, the background will come up blank and your image will show up just as the image on your PowerPoint in Bitmoji Classroom. So after that, we'll copy and save the image, and then we'll open up a new search tab by going to removebg.com. You can actually do that now if you'd like to, but either way, you need to have Remove BG open so you can remove the background. That's what BG stands for. And then we'll upload our saved image to removebg.com. The background will be removed and you'll just have the item that you want to place into your classroom. Then we'll copy and paste that item into our PowerPoint slide, and we will repeat the process as necessary until we have everything that we want. So let's go. Here is my blank background. So I'm going to end this show, and now I'm going to go to the internet so that I can find the classroom that I want to use. And I've already typed in classroom backgrounds, so I'm going to use this classroom because there's not much in it. I'm simply going to copy this image, go back to my PowerPoint, and I'm going to paste it. Now I'm going to stretch it out and resize it to make sure that it fits the entire white background. And if it looks a little bit blurry, that's okay. I'm actually going to not use these pictures in my background. But here we go. It's a little blurry, not my favorite, but we can still work with it. So now I'm going to go back, and I would like to put a teacher desk in my classroom. So I'm going to copy this image, but I'm going to save this image. And I'm just going to call it teacher desk. We'll say teacher desk 2 since I already have one that says teacher desk 1. I'm going to go up here and save it into the Renew Teacher folder. Save. And now I'm going to go to Remove BG. And I've already gone through this process, but I'm going to show you this step by step. So I'm going to click on Upload Image. And I'm going to go back to my Renew Teacher folder and type in teacher desk 2, and here it is. I'm going to open that up, and you'll see that the background is going to disappear. So now I'm going to copy. You can also download it and save it for later use, but I'm just going to copy it and place it into my classroom. I usually come over here to the gray margins to paste it, even though it pastes right on the document. One thing I've noticed is that if you paste it right on the document, it sticks to the other picture and it won't move separately. So now I'm just trying to play around and resize the desk how I want it and where I want it located in the room. I have a habit of always putting my desk on the right hand side. That's just the way I like it. So I'm not going to keep going back and forth with that process, but you would repeat that process until you have everything you want in your classroom. I actually have a few items that are already preloaded, so I'm going to go and get this screen, copy and paste that, and put that in my classroom. And I'm going to resize this as necessary. I'm just going to redesign the room essentially. Now, if you notice that your images are not layering correctly, what you can do in PowerPoint is you can right click and you can bring pictures or bring images to the front or send them to the back. I want the desk to be in front of the board, so I clicked on Bring to Front. I'm going to add a couple of posters in my room because I don't want to have the pictures that are on the wall in there. So I'm going to put this one here and resize it as necessary. Close this out over here, and then I'm going to go and grab one more photo, one more picture. I'll use this one. Actually, I'll use this one. Copy. I think it'll fit better over here. And now those two blurry pictures that were there are no longer there. And I also don't think I like this black or this brown background. So I'm just going to stretch the screen of this TV out a little bit more. And I'll keep the brown at the bottom. All right, so here is the base of my classroom. I'm going to see, I'll let's put one of these bookshelves in there. One of these, see how that looks in my room. Doesn't quite go, doesn't quite match, so I'm not going to keep this here. But I think you should get the gist of it right now in getting the base of your classroom together. So this is how we do that. A couple of things that you need to remember is make sure that you copy and paste. Make sure that you save the items that you want to use before you upload them to Remove BG. And I believe that's it. So let's take a look at what it looks like from current slide. And here we go. Here's the base of my classroom. So if you all need to reach out to me for any reason, you can find me at The Renewed Teacher on Instagram. You can also find me at The Renewed Teacher, at The Renewed Teacher on my Facebook page or on Twitter. On Pinterest, I am KL Smith RT. And on Teachers Pay Teacher, I do have a store, and I will be uploading some Bitmoji items there. There will be free, but also to purchase if you want to find me there. And you can also find me on my blog at renewedteacher.com. And my email address is renewedteacher@gmail.com. So if you need any further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will help you as best as I can, as quickly as I can. Thank you for coming to this short Bitmoji classroom tutorial on how to make a basic classroom in PowerPoint. Bye.